AE student ka ba? Nabalitaan ko. AE month na pala. Ever wonder kung saan ka nga ba dadalhin ng degree program mo? Bilang pagdiriwang sa nalalapit na AE month, makakasama natin ang mga alumni members ng UP Agricultural and Applied Economics Circle sa kwentuhang undergrad specializations, career paths, and the AAE journey. Mula rito sa UPLB, ako si Val at ito ang A Ka Muna!
So hello everyone! I'm Sofia M. Bautista. So I'm a fresh graduate from the College of Economics and Management under the Department of Agriculture and Applied Economics. For me, the most interesting subject was really the agri-development and yung agri-policy. That's AE 150, AE 151. Kasi ang dami ko natutunan, like in terms of theory, in terms of kung paano siya gamitin in real life. Most challenging would be, I know many people would agree with me. That's AAE 104. Yun yung accounting. And by the way, siya din yung gamit na gamit ko ngayon. Nire-review ko yung mga financial plan and analysis ng mga enterprises. Gamit na gamit ko din is the AAE 171. Kasi right now, nagre-review ako ng mga business plan and all. And it's very similar actually sa feasibility study. So hindi na parang bago sa akin yung mga concepts doon.
Still undecided pa ba sa pipiliin mong major? Fret not, we got you.
Pinaka-advice ko when picking specialization, actually mahirap kasi itong gawin because nag-aagawa ng units, diba? As much as possible, i-take nyo yung mga basic units, yung mga starting units ng agricultural finance, production economics, farm management, food nutrition economics, natural resource economics. I-take nyo yan as soon as second year.
Paano kung may major ka na at career path na lang ang kulang? Ano naman kaya ang career opportunities after AAE?
Please, internship pa lang, create a LinkedIn. Okay? And then, you have to look for job boards then online. Paunahan ng Department of Agriculture. Tapos sunod is National Economic Development Authority or NEDA. Marami din sa amin sa Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, agencies na naghahanap ng economists or mas related sa AAE. And then sa private company naman, mga FMCG.
Pero, paano nga ba nila na-survive ang AAE? Pabulong naman.
Number one tip is to real to. Baka sabihin na ako. Is to really study, and practice. Yung weapon mo na magagamit is really how well you understood your major during your undergrad years. Tip number 2, surround yourself with people na hindi naman actually into academics, pero alam mo yon, talagang hihigitin ka na mag-aral ganyan. It's really important na yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, same ng goals sa'yo. Yung goal niyo is makatapos ka agad, makapasa with flying colors. Siyempre, very thankful ako sa mga naging org ko undergrad. Sila talaga yung nag-hone sa akin. Like, thankful ako na naging part ako ng council, ng UPAEC, ng PARL. You have to say yes sa mga opportunities na alam mong mag-grow ka. Do it scared. Lahat naman tayo syempre may kinatatakutan. And last, get enough rest. Kasi hindi ka makaka-continue ng laban, you know, if hindi ka well-rested. Mahirap talagang mag-rest pag nasa UP. Diba? Isingit mo pa rin yung pagre-rest. Kasi it's very important. Kasi guys, health is wealth.
And that's a wrap. Stay tuned for the next episode. Muli ako si Val at ito ang A Ka Muna!